I've never given anyone a name, but one boyfriend of mine used to call me Lolu. Yeah, Lolu.
Lolu.
And then I'm like, what is Lolu? कहता है stupid people who eat a lot are called Lolu. Like low IQ people who eat a lot.
ये दिल पागल है, पता नहीं कैसे सोचता है, क्या सोचता है. So yeah, not cringe but like really cute.
Hi Jonna.
Shona.
Shona नहीं Jonna. मैंने किया. Me and my best friend Shweta, we like went to Bali and we like we need a hashtag. Nobody gave a damn about us going to Bali. We're like हम bad we need. So her husband used to call us Changu Mangu, okay, because he's like 7 feet tall and हम लोग ऐसे छुटके से every time we go out he has to like babysit us. So we made some dumb hashtag Changu Mangu Bali में नंगू.
mykundaliastrosage.com खोल के मैच किया है कि ये कुंडलियां मैच होती है या नहीं.
किया था यार.
Hey everyone, this is me Hesha Chima and today here on E Times मेरा ये जो बदतमीज दिल है ना वो इन चारों को बहुत सारे relationship questions पूछने वाला है, लेकिन cringe relationship questions. Okay. तो थोड़ा personal होंगे because I feel बदतमीज today guys.
Okay, Hesha, let's go.
Alright, so वैसे तो ladies first होता है but today we'll go with the gentlemen here. So my very first question to you is, have you ever had a Babu Shona type of a nickname for your loved one? और क्या था वो nickname? मुझे वो भी जानना है. नाम नहीं पूछ रही, बस नाम क्या था क्या, कभी रखा था ऐसा कुछ?
बेबी.
बेबी cringe नहीं है.
बाबू शोना नहीं कर सकता हूँ.
नहीं ना. उसके अलावा कुछ और? बू.
No, just baby.
Just baby.
Yeah.
Okay, and the same questions for you also, Riddhi.
No, I've actually never had any cringe-worthy names. I'm trying to think. I think baby is, yeah.
I think my forget it.
You've got a
There is
name.
some-
Yeah, I think-
He's got a name.
Like
that's
my
fine.
mom
You can
and-
share somebody else's
Mom and dad, but they call me Barney, so I'm like, ये बड़ा weird है.
Barney,
Yeah.
like
My name is
Achar
Barney.
की
Achar की
Right.
Barney.
No, I'm Baruni, yaar. My name is
Oh,
Baruni.
that's why Barney.
Right.
Also, you're known as an animal, na? By somebody, by a friend.
Rabbit. Yeah.
हाँ, ठीक है. This can pass. What about you,
Yeah.
Malika?
I've never given anyone a name, but one boyfriend of mine used to call me Lolu. Yeah,
तरीके से बुलाता था ये तो.
Lolu.
Lolu.
And then I'm like, what is Lolu? कहता है stupid people who eat a lot are called Lolu. Like low IQ people who eat a lot. No, he was not wrong.
But breakup नहीं किया क्या?
नहीं,
Of
it was
course
out
kindly
of
है.
affection.
Lolu.
But of course, you broke
थोड़ी
it.
explanation कैसा है?
अरे like he would send me gifs of like dumb animals and all, saying this one is a Lolu. You are also
Why the keyword dumb here?
because I used to do dumb things.
Okay.
Oh, okay. What
You used to
about
do cute things, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Cutely dumb
I would
things.
play myself dumb, you know, like we do in relationship. I'm joking. No.
What about you, Manisha? Have you ever gotten one or have you nicknamed anybody like this?
So I've not gotten cute names as I've given. Okay, they're not cringe, but they're really cute.
Okay, like.
Like cuddle bums.
Oh,
yeah.
Cuddle Bums is cute.
Cuddle bums.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay then.
And my Manku, then Manku bums.
Manku Bum. Manku's also cute, yeah.
Manku bums and Manku. It just depends on what inspires me then. They're not.
Yeah,
so
what did inspire you?
ये दिल पागल है,
Okay,
पता नहीं
Manku
कैसे
क्या
सोचता है, क्या सोचता है. So yeah, not cringe but like really cute.
Okay. But again, we'll start with you. Have you ever made up like a baby voice to talk to your loved one? Like, what na? Hi.
Oh, dude, I have 2 kids. I don't talk to them like that. What are you talking about?
Has anybody spoken to you like, hi, Varun? I love you. ऐसे.
No, we're a very different kind of a household.
That's why I'm not saying cringe couples do all this.
other like this.
English भी नहीं है.
English
But-
or British accent.
But yeah.
Yeah.
But we're normal.
That's why there's no cringe.
Then I'm not normal.
Okay, we're a little more mature, let's say. That way.
Okay, so you've
As
done
kids
this,
only.
clearly.
I'm also
I
not
speak to my
baby.
puppies like this all the time.
But puppies I understand.
Very different thing, huh?
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
no.
But
Puppies
no.
I speak to like this all the time. And then if I'm dating someone, then automatically they can't say anything because it's cuter because I'm speaking to them also like that.
So that's why it goes on there.
Yeah, it
also.
goes on. Then it's cute. It's not irritating.
Okay, Malika.
I have to speak to everyone from my
Baby.
audience to boys,
Correct.
to everyone in some voice or the other.
So tell me, like, who have you spoken to ऐसे baby voice में? निकाल के बताओ.
Everyone. So my parents, I only used to talk to in a baby voice. Then my nephew now, I speak to him like
Say
that.
something to me in a baby voice.
Hi, Jonna.
Shona.
Shona nahi, Jonna.
Jonna.
Like
Name is
journal-
Johnny. Johnny.
Oh,
Jonna.
मैंने सोचा hi Jorna, like journalist का Jorna.
Johnny.
अच्छा Johnny.
तो like that or like some voice or the other. मैं तो मैं कुछ ना कुछ करती रहती हूँ इससे.
इसलिए रिद्धि has तो clearly said मैंने नहीं किया.
I've never done baby talk. I can't do it.
You can't do baby talk. Oh my goodness.
ऐसे?
हाँ. Oh my God, कितनी cute लग रही है, कितनी cute लग रहा है वैसे. नहीं.
Yeah, no.
Okay. Barun, have you ever twinned with your partner?
Yeah.
But no. Listen to the question. But wearing those king and queen t-shirts.
Oh, that kind of twinning.
हाँ.
मैं पहले जवाब दे देते सच.
हाँ.
Accidental tuning होती है हमारी.
Okay.
हाँ.
But no like king and queen and prince and princess.
Or I'm with stupid and
Yeah, like they
arrow.
said, he is stupid. All that you've not done.
Yeah, I find that very
Misses.
stupid.
हाँ.
Yeah, I
wear-
find that very lame. Sorry, but I find that very lame from the
It is.
beginning.
The whole segment is only cringe.
Yeah, that's right.
But I wear t-shirts with logos on them, a few of them. I have a few Punjabi t-shirts. Twinning is, the answer is accidental twinning happens.
Okay.
Yeah, a lot.
रिद्धि.
No.
रिद्धि तो मतलब इसमें सारे नो ही होने वाले मुझे लगता है.
This is accidental twinning.
But
Between you
Yeah,
two right
this is
now.
accidental
Yeah, it
twinning.
is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But not like king and queen वाला नहीं हुआ.
नहीं वो तो बिल्कुल ही I hate it. I don't like it. So if you're calling it cringe, I also believe वो
Yeah.
बहुत cringe है.
I agree.
I like the my side, his side.
Yeah,
the
that's
my
cute.
side is so long and his side is this much. That is cute.
Yeah, that one I would agree because I would want a little bit more space. So fine.
I like deliberately twin with my nephew. So when he was 3 months old or something, I got lots of night suits made.
I've
And you
seen
see
those
all those
pictures.
videos. तो उस पे एक पे लिखा है मासीज बेबी समथिंग लाइक क्रिंज मैक्स तो बैटमैन नाइट सूट पिगी नाइट सूट so both of us have like 3-4 of
that's
the
not
same
cringe at
night
all.
suit and we have made videos
It's
also
very
in them. I'll show you.
Oh, that's cute, but I'll
I
class
like
that
it
as
with
cute.
matching with doggies and this
Yeah.
and that. It's not
This is-
doggies, nephews,
तो लव में तो
babies.
करता है ना इंसान
हाँ, तो भाई फिर ऐसे ही हो जाता है ना.
That's very cute.
बेवकूफियाँ
हाँ, बेवकूफियाँ. What about you, Manisha?
Sorry, can you repeat? the
Any
question?
time have you ever twinned like in a very cringy way with like
Deliberately.
king or queen?
No,
Deliberately.
no. It's like just so what happens there is, let's say if you're getting ready and if you see what the color the other person has pulled out, just I don't know, automatically you just pull out that color
Subconsciously,
and then you're like, hey, we're wearing the same thing. You know, they'll be like, you copied me, and I'll be like, no, you copied me.
इनकी लड़ाई चल रही है
Yeah,
भाई.
उसी में कपड़े. Okay. Posted mushy comments on each other's social media or pictures.
Each others मेरी तो यार बीवी का अकाउंट ही नहीं है.
तो मतलब नहीं पहले भी तो हो सकता है पास्ट का भी जरूरी नहीं थोड़ी अभी की बात कर रहे हैं कभी भी.
Texting.
Facebook.
जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल फोटो डाली आपके पार्टनर ने और उसके नीचे जाके आपने कुछ मशी लिख दिया
Invalid,
हार्ट
invalid,
ऐसा
पूरा
कुछ इनवैलिड इज लाइक नहीं.
I have.
Finally I got one. I have from Riddhi.
I have. In the past, I have. Yes.
बताना पड़ेगा.
क्या बताऊँ यार?
अच्छा तो
बोल मत
कमेंट
दियो.
क्या लिखा था वो तो बता सकते हो इंसान नहीं.
Oh
बाबू
God.
सोना बोल दिया ना
हाँ,
फिर
नहीं.
क्वेश्चन में हो जाएगा.
It was just me. Like I think I wrote something like, "Who's more edible, the person eating the food or like the food or the person eating the food?"
हाँ
यार तूने बहुत थॉट डाल के.
ठीक है.
Sweet.
I think
मैं
you
तो
must.
बकवास ही लिखती हूँ नहीं I just write you know nice spoon like or some rubbish I'll write like I'll be like भाई सही लग रहा है like I will never write anything
भाई सही लग रहा
yeah I'll write the most anticlimactic nonsense possible.
Okay, Manisha, what about you?
No, surprisingly, like considering I'm like, you know, such a nutter in like whatever things. I mean, come on, monkey bums.
Yeah.
Right?
Could have gone as a comment also.
Monkey bums, but then I'm very careful not to do that in front of people because that's when your friends, his friends will start making fun of him and then I won't live it down. Yo, they'll be like,
Thoughtful.
acha, monkey bums, ha 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 ha. So then I'm like, you know, I better keep it private.
And then you know the friends pick it up also. कि like, hey, monkey bum क्या कर रहा है? That way.
Exactly, you know, so he like, I don't want my partner, you know, getting embarrassed and all about that.
Okay. Have any of y'all coined your own hashtag? Nobody's given it to y'all, but y'all have coined it yourselves.
Of
This is very
course.
social media friendly
Yeah,
interview.
yeah.
No, यार, but the people ऐसे भी
For
करते
people who
हैं.
don't have social media accounts, वो कैसे answer करें इसको?
They still have. My own sister
But
has
then
done this, who's
using
not
it.
on social media. Imagine, उसकी शादी पे फिर भी hashtag था.
हाँ शादी
Sorry,
पे,
Natasha.
yeah.
No, no, शादी का सब कुछ है.
अच्छा, शादी में चलता है.
Because it's practical, na? You do that hashtag and everyone's pictures are there then. It's
But
like
not
you
like-
shouldn't
but-
miss a picture.
But
तो
not like a
tag कर
cringe
लो.
one, no? Like something cringy, no.
No.
मैंने किया है.
किया
Oh,
है?
wow.
मैंने भी revelation. चलो.
क्या बताओ?
क्या अभी तो
Just make
hashtag.
up something.
अच्छा तो hashtag बता रही हो, then तो we come to know.
joking, he's never
अच्छा, you've
done
never
it.
done it.
नहीं यार, I'm not on. हाँ कहाँ पे? घर पे अपनी दीवारों पे.
मैंने किया. Me and my best friend Shweta, we like went to Bali and we like we need a hashtag. Nobody gave a damn about us going to Bali. We're like हम bad we need.
फिर था क्या?
So her husband used to call us Changu Mangu, okay? Because he's like 7 feet tall and हम लोग ऐसे छुटके से every time we go out, he has to like babysit us. So we made some dumb hashtag Changu Mangu Bali में नंगू.
That's really cute, yeah.
So then we decided अब से हम जब भी कहीं ट्रिप लेंगे हमारा एक हैशटैग होगा.
चिंगू मुंगू.
Okay.
That's cute.
ठीक है. Have you all ever celebrated Mantisseries?
No.
उतना तो मेरे रिलेशनशिप से नहीं लास्ट करते यार.
Weakest series से
सेलिब्रेट जाते. वीकेस्ट स्टोरी भी नहीं होते मेरे तो.
Like happy 1 month baby, ऐसा कुछ?
You're talking to the wrong people.
No, I've done.
Happy 1 month baby.
I've done
अच्छा
it.
that way you mean.
Month
Okay.
and month.
Yeah, like Mantisseries and monthly
anniversary.
anniversaries. अगर 6 महीने हो गए तो भी celebrate किया हो.
100% केक तो खाना ही है.
Oh, माना ही है अभी.
Yeah.
Okay, so Manisha, we know you have done it.
Yeah.
And Barun, I think must have not even. Have you ever forgotten an anniversary?
Oh yeah.
Chalo, very good. We all are in the
मतलब
same
not
team.
on the day but.
Okay, not on the day.
हाँ मतलब a week prior if it happens like oh एक हफ्ते बाद I'll forget. But not on the day. इतना बेवकूफ नहीं हूँ.
What about you all, Riddhi? Mantisserie you've not
Never,
celebrated.
please. I'm not into this. Yeah, I'm one of those kids. We were in college in Delhi so many years ago, and Valentine's Day was a really big thing, and everybody in my college said, "Let's wear red and come to college." I was wearing black.
Oh, rebel.
So I don't believe in this. मैं मानती ही नहीं हूँ ये सब चीजें.
But anniversary कभी भूले हो?
नहीं, I don't forget. I'm very good with dates and numbers. I'm very good with
Coming
birthdays.
back with dates.
What about you, Malika?
I तो told you I've never had a relationship
That has lasted only for a month.
Yeah.
तो फिर year और anniversary तुम्हें भूल ही
कोई
जाते हो. I'll
फर्क
just
ही नहीं पड़ता.
straight
पर
jump
होगा
to
तो
और
you
ये
do
जो
it.
वन साइडेड रिलेशनशिप होता है जिनमें मैं होती हूँ उसमें क्या मंथ होती क्या
खुद जैसे मिनी से खुद ही केक काटो happy 1 month anniversary.
I do with friends also, with new friends. Oh my god, we've known each other for a month. Let's go out and
How
celebrate.
sweet.
Oh wow. Friends is sweet, but I would love that.
Yeah. I was like, listen, there's this new restaurant. We should try. Come, no, this is our excuse. Let's go.
Okay. कभी भी any of y'all have stayed मतलब pretended to stay भूखा just to put your partner on a guilt trip but बहुत खाना ठूसा है. Like till you don't talk to me, I'm not going to eat food.
No chance,
Basically
bro.
thrown a
What do you buy?
tantrum.
Thrown a
Toxic
fit or a
relationship.
tantrum.
Yeah.
No
No,
chance.
I haven't.
No chance.
खाना तो मैं
I can't sacrifice food. It's just not possible.
Made for each other. She's just said खाना तो मैं किसी के लिए नहीं छोड़
कैसे
सकती.
छोड़ सकती हूँ? And the person will not believe me also कि इसने नहीं खाया.
Correct.
It's
But
not
guilt
possible.
trip पे कभी डाला होगा किसी को ऐसे just to get attention. That's the whole point. What I meant.
I don't put people on guilt trips because
put
I
me on guilt trip.
yeah because I know how it feels to be put on a guilt trip. So I don't
Yeah.
put anybody on a guilt trip like knowingly. Never. I can't do that.
Okay, same with you also, Manisha.
Yeah. I'm like, please stop guilt tripping me. I'm like, you're not being forced to eat now. Go to the other room and please let me eat in peace.
Food first.
Yeah.
Okay then. Have you ever snooted on your
Basically, have
partner's
you told your partner कि तूने आज ये ऐसे किया मैं खाना ही
झूठ
नहीं
मतलब
खाऊंगा?
basically.
और तूने
नहीं
खाया है पर
attention के लिए
हाँ,
like
attention seeking.
attention seeking करना.
behavior. Has Pashmina ever given in to your tantrums? Basically, that's the question we should ask.
Oh yeah,
you.
yeah.
She has.
Yeah.
See, that's how you get it.
Yeah, I think I'm going to make sure that you translate everything, these cringy things, because he's not understanding the cringe. I think Barun is in the most non-cringy relationship.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Have you ever snooted on your partner's phone without?
Okay.
Yeah,
That
like,
way. Oh.
or been snooted upon? Has somebody ever like checked
How
your
would
phone?
we know?
पता
I
लग
would
जाता
not
है.
know. नहीं. I mean.
मैंने
how
तो
do
एक
you know?
बार मैंने पता लगाया.
ऐसा
कैसे
क्या था
पता
छुपाने
लगा?
के लिए?
Okay, so I changed my phone password purposely, intentionally, to see whether the person tries or
And
not.
it got locked.
Yes.
But what were you trying to hide?
that's
about
called
it?
three-
Not trying to
that
hide,
is-
just trying to catch the person कि तू check करता है नहीं
See,
phone
now
मेरा.
this is called 3-step verification.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good one. So but पता लगना चाहिए ना कि I mean when you say I'm trustworthy and all, तो okay, let me see whether you're actually
Yeah.
checking or not.
Yes.
But okay, what do you have to lose is what I'm trying to ask.
Nothing, because I've been put on a
And
guilt
why
कि
you
तू मेरा
checking?
phone check करती है, ऐसे मैं करती ही नहीं.
What does he have to hide?
Exactly. That is why I was like, let me. So ये personal experiences से काफी cringe आ रहा है यहाँ पे.
बट एक्साइटमेंट बनी हुई है रिलेशनशिप में, ये जान के अच्छा
ये जान के अच्छा लगा. चलो. None of you all?
नो नो
She's like, wow,
No,
how
my-
many guys?
Yeah.
No, you do. Like, but majority of my work is done by my wife anyway, so my phone is always with her.
हाँ. But you
That's
wouldn't-
different.
Yeah.
This is snooping.
No,
like
no,
when
no.
you're not there, so that's
हाँ.
different.
Like for example, who's like written you an Instagram DM and मुझे जाके देखना है. कौन मैसेज कर रहा है इसको देखो तो उसे जाके. वैसा वाला snoop.
Pashmeen only checks his Instagram DMs.
तो he's so out
You
of
don't
business.
handle your Instagram also.
She does.
Love
There's an
it.
I
तो जो
actually-
50 fan account
Shut up! Just shut up!
Manisha, has somebody ever checked your phone or
घर की
you
बात है,
checked
वो
someone's
देखता है.
phone?
I'm sure देखता है, सब देखता है.
No, nobody's checked your phone either.
If they check it, we are done.
Nice
You
ground
check my
rule.
phone, we are done. And if I'm like texting and I'm opening my phone, and if the person's here and they're snooping like this, my
Then also
password
we're
gets changed like this.
Ah.
Yeah.
What are you hiding?
Not hiding anything, but the point is that this is mine. You can't do jasusi. Why are you doing jasusi?
So get a screen guard which is
The
dark.
privacy screen
I
guard.
have it.
Nahi, it's the point.
Yeah.
I have a privacy screen guard.
But that's also better
Side
for
में जो
work.
होता है वो देख ही नहीं पाता.
Correct.
इंसान को ऊपर आपके सर पे
No,
चढ़ाना
the
पड़ेगा.
point is you shouldn't even want to.
ऐसा
Exactly.
नहीं होता है मिनी.
नहीं, then
पर
I
वो
don't hang
एक
with
बात
that person
ये तो
only.
सही जा रही है ना, वो कह रही है कि शक क्या किस बात का भाई?
Yeah. अगर शक है तो
नजर
don't-
जाती है. Like I saw your phone when you were seeing your phone. I said two.
Right, yeah.
वो नजर जाती है, पर ऐसे खास कोई नहाने गया
Yeah,
और
you don't
उठा
keep-
के तुम चेक
Yeah,
करो,
yeah,
वो थोड़ा
yeah.
ज्यादा हो
I
जाता
think you've done it.
नहीं, हुआ है मेरे साथ हुआ है, तभी तो मैंने पासवर्ड चेंज किया था.
Yeah, smart. Three-step verification.
3-step verification. Okay, अभी ये तो cringe pro max होने वाला है. क्योंकि सबने stay overs किए हैं अपने partners के साथ. Okay, has it ever happened that you've forgotten your toothbrush and you all have used your partner's toothbrush?
No, I haven't.
Well.
I've used my finger, but I've not used somebody else's or partners or anybody else's toothbrush.
Somebody तो थोड़ा ज्यादा हो जाता है, but partner.
हाँ, partners also no. I
Okay.
have never.
हाँ यार, hygiene भी तो होती है कुछ.
चाहे मैं ट्रैक पे हूँ या स्टे ओवर कर रही हूँ, I will use.
And there are more toothbrushes in the world. You can go buy.
Yeah, I always
Exactly.
have extra toothbrushes in my house. Someone's staying over, I'll give it to them.
No, I have a 24-hour chemist and all of that. I'm like, Lifeline एक toothbrush भेज दीजिए. कौन सा? वो उसको
was
उसका
talking
extra
about
strong
20
bristle.
years
Okay,
ago.
madam, 5 मिनट में आ रहा
So
है.
cute.
Problem solved.
Problem solved. Okay, रिद्धि बता रही थी, मैं तो 20 साल पहले की बात कर रही थी,
मतलब
फिर
मैं
उंगली.
बहुत 2003, 4, 5, 6, 7 की बात कर रही थी.
But yeah, fair enough. Why not?
Yeah.
Okay, this is also funny, but I don't know. I think ये बारून के केस में तो fully out होने वाला है.
Now you know
Yeah,
him
now I exactly
through
know.
your
You be like,
questions.
ये platform exist भी करता है क्या? He's going to
Basically,
ask
you're
me
not
this.
cringe at
Platform
all.
exist
all.
करता है इतना नहीं होगा, मतलब educated
Okay,
तो हूँ
ठीक
मैं.
है. Have you all ever maintained a Snapchat streak with your partner?
What is a streak? What is a Snapchat streak?
Malika
Explain it to
knows.
me. Yeah, she knows.
And I
Even
think
I
you-
don't know, I think.
No?
What is a Snapchat streak?
अरे it's like a messaging thread of Snapchat.
अच्छा, like
And then a message
Snap.
disappears.
Yeah, like every day you have to send one snap to your partner. Ki like, you know,
I
to
never
maintain
had
that
a
lit
partner
emoji.
when Snapchat was a thing. Everybody knows what I used to do with Snapchat.
Oh, okay.
So yeah.
I
No,
don't
not
know.
that. I used to make filter
But I don't
videos.
know what you did.
I used to make dumb videos with like
With
चूहे का
filters
मुंह.
and
I
all.
used to
Yeah.
love your videos.
हाँ,
Yeah,
तो मैं तो वो
You
करती
should
थी
stop.
Snapchat.
Me
No,
and
I'll
my
do it,
friend
I'll do
Asha,
it.
we would share it with each other. and we'd be
Snapchat
like,
बंद नहीं हो गया
"Yeah,
लेकिन इंडिया
नहीं नहीं
Oh, अच्छा.
मेरी स्ट्रीक चालू है
Oh.
Why
बट
not?
पार्टनर के साथ नहीं मेरी बहन के साथ अगेन so yeah after her marriage she's gone too fast so that's why
Oh.
but people do that in long distance
Where
relationships
she's gone?
too far
Where?
that we leave
Australia?
it no not Australia she's in the US
Nice.
Oh,
yeah
that is
that's
far.
why far so we have to maintain something to be in
Yeah.
touch constantly so we maintain a streak so people usually in long distance relationships do that
I've
Ki
never
like,
had a long distance. But
I
Liz
have.
and what Karan? Liz and Karan have had a long distance.
Yeah.
but I clearly feel they've not maintained a Snapchat streak
They
in the
could
show.
have.
They could have
Just to
don't
keep
think-
things going. हो सकता है यार. It's
Maybe
not
they
you.
were too on and
It's
off.
not you.
But what the reason I'm saying is that they were too on and off.
हाँ ठीक है. And they were also
Right.
Okay, now I'm taking you all back in the day.
Let's
okay,
go.
you all probably were in like school or college, and नया नया प्यार हुआ होगा या you know all of that. तो कभी भी ऐसे mykundelyastrosage.com खोल के मैच किया है कि ये कुंडलियां मैच होती है या नहीं।
Flames की याद आया We used to do flames back in the day. We didn't have AstroSage. ये अभी है astrosage.com.
No, but the point is कि क्या कहते हैं? Did you go the astrological way
हाँ,
of finding
zodiac
out?
Yeah, I
कि
did.
तुम
I mean, I
Taurus,
did.
तुम मैं Scorpion,
Right,
तो
this
100
kind
on
of
100
Yeah,
ऐसा कुछ किया।
yeah, Linda Goodman. I've read Linda Goodman and I've seen how my sun sign goes with every.
You're a sun sign
Life में
chick.
क्या करना चाहिए?
Nice.
Where should I go? Which direction? Which sun sign is good? I've also observed ये.
Uncle chips खाने को?
हाँ मैं भी बोलने वाली shit यार
नहीं इसने बोला था।
अंकल चिप्स खाना या नहीं खाना वो भी चेक किया
Beat
होगा फिर।
me to it.
I don't know if
I
you can
think she
talk
did.
about.
She's the one who brought it up पहले।
Oh she would.
So you have done it definitely. Varun, have you checked? बहुत पहले की बात है ये ना।
Linda
क्या
Goodman.
हाँ
Flames
flames
किया है।
of course flames have done.
हाँ।
Apart from
Sunsign?
that, sunsign में interest
मेरा
नहीं है।
ये है उसका ये है. तूने
ये
किया होगा
मैंने
यार.
श्राप दिलवाए हैं
You
लेकिन
had
लड़कों
a long distance relationship with. He had a long distance relationship actually with Pashmeen. So you, but how would they? There would be no Snapchats.
Yeah, no streak. He's
क्या
not
खत
doing it.
लिखते थे खत
हाँ बिल्कुल लिखते थे।
वाओ यार
ये मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन था बट थैंक यू सो मच।
what
चलो तो मतलब फर्स्ट आई कम बैक टू द पहले वाला क्वेश्चन सो यू आंसर दैट।
streak
नहीं स्ट्रीक के बाद भी मैंने पूछा।
क्या था
हाँ पूछा तो है कुछ।
याद करो।
कुछ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस
नहीं
नहीं वो astro did you go
Did you get
the
the-
sun
No,
sign
no,
way?
I didn't. But मैंने कई बार
flames
कोशिश
वेम्स
की है कि मैं श्राप दिलवा दूं किसी को।
हाँ भाई। तो क्या वो श्राप लगा कुछ हुआ?
Of course. मेरा श्राप ना लगे, मेरी दुआ ना लगे, ऐसा थोड़ी हो सकता है।
Oh my goodness. Okay. Manisha, you कभी कुछ मैच मोच किया?
So of course Linda Goodman किया मैंने. I would go and see this, that. Capricorn with this one, and then I used to read Capricorn. I was like, oh my god, I'm like this. I'm like that.
You're
Oh my god,
Capricorn.
I didn't know.
मैंने क्या बोलते?
You're Capricorn.
I'm technically Capricorn, but I think I'm a complete Aquarius.
अरे
You are
but what is your
22nd,
birthday?
21st.
18th Jan.
Jan.
18th January.
Yeah.
Okay. Last question is that have you guys ever shared live location not for safety purpose but just कि
कि मैं
कहाँ
यहाँ
हो?
हूँ।
हाँ किधर हो जरा बताना। अच्छा यहाँ पे हो दिखाओ।
God,
That
trust
way.
issues. Too many trust issues. No, I have
हाँ यार
not.
क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग?
No.
No, I have not.
ऐसी जिंदगी मत जीना भाई।
मैं बहुत, I'm a very secure person. I don't want to know anything
Sounds
more
like
than
parole.
I
It's
know.
not a relationship.
जो there's a movie that had come, आंखों देखी. After I saw
हाँ.
that film, मुझे लगा मेरा यही पॉलिसी है लाइफ में. जो
अच्छा.
मेरी आंखों के सामने वही सच है. Everything else is.
Oh, brilliant.
You know, there are these memes also right now that are trending. If you're married or dating to a billionaire and if you catch him cheating, wear your shades.
And
Just ignore. Aankho dekhi. That is where I came from.
oh, interesting.
Yeah, but it's
But
just
why a
funny
billionaire?
memes.
पैसे हैं भाई जो मर्जी कर।
कर ले. That's the
Sorry,
whole
I'm so
joke.
sorry.
So, since we're talking cringe, this is a cringe relationship segment.
Yes. But our show is nothing, guys. There
Which
is
is
no
there.
cringe in our
At
show.
all.
Our show is actually pretty cool.
It's very, very cool, very unlike everything
That I have asked.
that has been asked. So yeah, just letting you all know.
हाँ.
No, ठीक है, cool, fair enough. I think everybody has reacted in the same way कि नहीं ये सारी cringe चीजें तो हमने की ही नहीं. Live location, that was the question. No.
हाँ पहुँचने के लिए।
हाँ, that is okay for safety
Oh, that is okay.
purposes.
That you have to
Yeah,
do.
yeah,
Safety,
is,
हाँ,
yeah.
that way. कि like if it's too late in the night and if you've shared, it's okay, but not like to keep a spy or check on someone.
Yeah. Now if you've asked, you'll never get now.
हाँ, अच्छा ये तो
Yeah.
ये भी
If
नहीं
I
मिलेगा
want
वो
to
भी नहीं
give you,
मिलेगा.
I'll give you. Now that you've asked, तुम्हें कभी नहीं मिलेगा.
Okay.
I'm like that.
All right. Thank you guys.
Yes, and thank you.
so very much. And for more such videos, tune into E-Times, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and I shall see you in my next interview. Bye.
Thank you, Isha.